This story we're going to go over a little bit more. We never went over much on what equations should look like. EQ equals 5 plus 5, echo EQ. That gets us 10, but how do we multiply? How do we divide? Multiply is an asterisk, that gets us 25. Divide is a slash, that will get us 1. Percent is the modulus. That a modulus is a remainder. Like if you 3 over 2. 2 goes into 3 once with the remainder of 1. So like 3, 2, we get 1 as our modulus. Or 3, 5, we should get 2. It's not subtraction, it's remainder. 3 goes into 5 once with 2 left over. Now let me show you randomization. Randomization is going to work like this. We got a default random number, and echo %R&D %, which it doesn't show it here apparently, but echo %R, or no, it's not %R&D %, it's echo %random %. And see, every time we call on it, we get a different random number. But what if we want to get a number that's somewhere between 1 and 10? Well, we could set/a. This is the professional way to do it and the fastest way to do it, although it's not truly random. So I'm going to show you nothing's truly random on computers. So I'm going to show you a better way of randomization. So set/a R&D equals random modulus 10. And then after you modulus 10, we're going to, I think, plus 1, like that. And now echo R&D. Now as you can see, it's going to give us 4, 1, 4, 10, 4. But see, that's the reason these aren't that good random numbers. They're pretty random, but they almost seem to follow a pattern. And patterns can get a little annoying. But this is a really good way to get a random number. Another way people like to get a random number is they make a loop. Let's create a label. Set/a R&D equals, or I can just say set R&D equals %random. If %R&D is greater than 100, go to loop. If %R&D is less than 100, go to loop. Echo %R&D %. This is a little bit more random, but it's a lot slower. See, look. You actually got oh, whoop. It's never going to end, because I should have said less than 1. There, see 48, 5, 49. This is a lot more random than the way I was showing you, but the way I was showing you is pretty random. And just set/a R&D equals %random %modulus, let's say 100 plus 1, echo R&D. Like I said, it follows a slight pattern, but it's still pretty random. See, 27, 30, 30. See, this is the main pattern I was trying to talk about. As you can see, your numbers almost seem to rise. Which they do rise. That's what I'm talking about. It's not completely random. So the other way of randomizing that I was just showing you is probably one way you want to stick with. Just do this. Before your loop, say echo loading. And then when it's done loading, just put CLS, and that clears the screen. So what it'll do is it's going to say loading while it's generating your random number. So you can like put that before a random number game. where you gotta guess their number. Let me see. But this is not very good if you want to get like 1 through 10, because I mean, look how long somehow this can take to load. That loading is just way too long for me. But that's how you want to get random numbers. You just want to use the built-in %random %. See, it's different every time.